Welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you something that I purchased. But first let me show you what I built last year in the fall. Built these new steps for my front door. Alright, then Renee, my wife, stained them this spring. Okay. But we needed a rail, handrail. So I purchased this. Pretty good handrail. I put this on last year after I built the steps. There'll be a link in the description below if you're interested. It's a pretty good, sturdy rail. It comes in multiple sizes. This is a 3 to 4 step rail. It was easy to put together. Came in, I don't know, 4 pieces or so. You know, your uprights, and then your handrail, and then your centerpiece. You can either, and it comes with the lag bolts to go in the wood. It also comes with a drill bit, and it also comes in with, if you want to put it in the concrete, it comes with the concrete lag bolts. Pretty easy to install. You just use, it comes with the Allen key, Allen socket to even put these in. Comes with a little level, so you can level it. Comes with everything that you need. It was easy peasy to put together. I think it turned out nice. It's lasted, it's sturdy, easy to put together. They're, you know, it's a little dirty right now because animals been crawling out. But it's, I don't know if you can see right here, I don't know. There is a little bit of rust starting already, but you know, 1-year-old, winter time up here and stuff. But it was easy to install, and it was pretty easy to put together, you know. So if you're interested, like I said, link will be in the description below. And you know what to do. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified I put up new videos. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about my front steps? Yeah, you know, I'm not a master craftsman or anything, so we just made some boxes basically and stacked them on top of each other and screwed them down. But that 3 to 4 step handrail is easier than making, it looks, you know, easier than making one out of wood, and it looks good. So, all right, if you're interested. But anyway, that's it to the end of the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.